Hey guys, my name is Na and you are watching You Want Me Review channel, and today video I'm going to share with you typing jobs from home that you can simply do a data entry or typing job from home and you can make a huge amount of money from that. So that is the typing jobs actually, and part-time jobs that you can do without any investment and without any hesitation. You can simply start it from your home, whether you are using the smartphone or you're using PC or laptop. So you can implement and you can start using that. So let's begin that how you can do that. You just need to just watch the video to the very end, step by step, to do not miss any part of the track, because I'm going to share with you each and everything in this video. And even you can choose the language, what language you want to start your typing job actually. In this video I will show you step by step. So let's begin the first the strategy. The first and important thing is that you just need to Google and type 1 hour translation. So once you type 1 hour translation, you will see the first link actually, 1hourtranslation.com, and you can basically click on the first link. So once you click on the first link actually, you will be visited this page right here, 1hourtranslation.com actually. So what this website is stand for, actually this website is for translation typing jobs and also data entry jobs actually, that you can simply do directly from your home, on from your bed, without any hesitation, without any problem. You can simply start the work and you can simply do that. You see here that all your translation needs one easy solutions actually that you can do. And one thing is really important that we just know about that the trusted companies are affiliates or working with them actually, like Amazon, Subway, Uber, iHuber, Tencent, and Hilton, which are the top richest company in the world, and they are working with them and they are giving the translation and data entry jobs actually. Then after that they are giving to the freelancer like me and you, and we and then we are earning money from these websites. So the first and important thing is that we just need to click on. I don't want to just go further that how it is working or read these things. So you can do or read by yourself these all information. What I need to do, I can simply show you that how we can sign up with this website and how we can just go further with this website. Right here you can see the options, like here become a translation. On the top right here you can see small, uh, uh, you can just click on become a translator. So once you click on that, you will be just to visit to this page right here, that you can simply see this and you can simply click on apply now. So once you hit the apply button right here, you will be just visiting to this page, which tell you that get started with your account right here, whether you are client or translator. So of course we are not client and we want to earn the money, so we can basically click on translator right here. So once you click on the translator, we will be just visited this page actually, that we can simply add our full name, email address. Right here we can simply use the name, email address right here. We can simply use and password, then retype the password. You can add your phone, and then you can add your country, whatever the country is that. Then click I'm not a robot. So once you click I'm not a robot, then you can check mark to just agree to the term and condition of 1 hour translation actually, and then you can click save and continue. So once you click on the save and continue, then you will be redirected to this page, which will be your dashboard actually, that you will have at the first time when you don't have any project or any credit or something like that. So you can just simply visit right here. So here you can see your control panel. Here you can see my project, for example, and here you can start your new project right here. The first and important thing is that if you want to know about the statement right here, you can see your statement, for example, how much money you get and how much is there actually. You can simply click on the statement. So once you click on the statement, you can see this page and you can just adjust the time, whatever the statement you need. So you can give the time and then you can click on the submit. So that will give you the whole statement that you have, for example, how much money you just earn from here. And another coolest part is here on this website right here, that you can also update your profile and also see your projects. If you just click on your projects right here, you will be just visiting to this page. If you have already a project, so that will be available right here, but right now it is not available because that is a brand new account right here. So what you need to do, you can simply also see option, for example, that update profile. If you just click on the update profile right here, you will just visit to another page actually that you can update your profile, and by that way you can build your profile up to 100%. Like now it is something like my 146% right here, and you can just build your account or your profile up to 100%. In that way you can have more money and more sales and more clients will just come into you. Okay, so here on the left side, you can see the billing address. You need to just add yourself. And here it is about me, means a short description or bio. You can simply add mailing address. You can add, and here they will show you the translation, memories, and other things actually there. But this will be the basic skills and the basic way that you can simply just do that and just build your account right here. Before just going to have the project, you need to just click on the start a new project right here, and you can add the project which you can add right here. Like this one means how many words you need to type and what's your typing speed or something like that. Okay, or how much you will cost for that. For example, let's like this one, 1,000 general words will be by $87 actually, and each word cost will be 0.087 actually. So that way you can just build your profile and you can give the prices for each words right here up to 10,000 words. You can just have the money for that or the cost for that, so people can easily understand and they can just hire you very soon, and they can talk to you and you can complete their project. So that was the whole end method that I was about to share with you, and it is a unique and trending website that you just need to sign up for that and just start promoting your typing jobs from here, which is also a data entry job actually, and you can make a huge amount of money from that. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern. I can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload the video, you'll be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.